Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people randomly join group chats on Instagram, or you've seen others chatting in groups you didn't even know existed, today's video is for you. Because in this quick guide, I'm breaking down exactly how to discover and join Instagram groups instantly. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. Let's jump right in. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. Now, here's where most people get confused, but it's actually incredibly simple. Tap the messenger icon. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the messenger symbol. Tap it and it will take you straight into your messages. Scroll down to people and group suggestions. Inside your message inbox, don't tap anything yet. Just scroll down. Instagram now shows a section called people and group suggestions, and this is where the magic happens. These are automatically generated group chats based on your interests, interactions, and trending topics. You don't need an invite. You don't need to request access. Instagram literally recommends groups you can join with one tap. Pick a group and join instantly. Browse through the suggested groups. Each one will show a name, a quick preview of recent messages, and how active the group is. Found one that looks interesting? Just tap it. Instagram will immediately drop you into that group chat. No approval needed. And just like that, you're officially inside the conversation. It takes just a few seconds, and now you're part of any community that catches your attention, whether it's memes, hobbies, local communities, or trending discussions. And that's all there is to it. A simple, fast, and completely straightforward way to join Instagram groups. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.